Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage chic inspired farmhouse home decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage chic inspired farmhouse home decor is a cozy, elegant style that blends old world charm with soft sophistication. Think classic farmhouse warmth, but dressed up with graceful vintage details and a touch of refined beauty. Courtful. It is welcoming, nostalgic, and gently elegant. Never flashy, never rough. Everything feels lived in, loved, and thoughtfully crafted. Furniture style. Farmhouse silhouettes with vintage detailing. Distressed wood tables and cabinets. Uses curved legs, curved edges, and antique finishes. Slim covered sofas, spindle chairs, and cane details. Nothing too modern. Pieces should feel like they have a story. Vintage chic decorative touches. This is where the chic shines. Antique mirrors with ornate frames, crystal or glass knobs and hardware, old books, enamel pictures, iron candle holders, floral china, lace runners, and crocheted accents. Decor is soft and romantic, not just heavy. Textiles and fabrics. Linen, cotton, muslin, and lace. Floral and subtle stamp patterns. Ruffled curtains, coiled throws, embroidered pillows. Layers matters. More texture equal more charm. Uses natural elements like fresh or dried flowers like rose, lavenders, baby's breath. Often baskets, wood trays, ceramic vases. A mix of matte and lightly glossy finishes. Nature keeps the space grounded and calm. Overall vibe. Vintage farmhouse decor feels a beautiful countryside home, where elegance meets comfort and every piece feels gently collected over time. The soul of vintage farmhouse. This style is about soft history. Nothing feels brand new or harsh. Every moment looks gently aged, gracefully owned, and thoughtfully chosen. It blends farmhouse comfort, warmth, practicality, and simplicity. Vintage romance, patina, antiques, and nostalgia. Thick elegance, balance, lightness, delicate details. It is rustic but polished, feminine but grounded. Materials and finishes very important. Materials define this style more than trends. Wood, reclaimed or distressed wood, is whitewashed, limed, or softly stained finishes. Visible grain and imperfections are a feature, not a flaw. Metals, aged brass, antique gold. Avoid shiny chrome or ultra-modern steel. Think altar poles, lanterns, and candle holders. Glass and ceramics. Use milk glass, mercury glass, clear aged glass, crackle glassed ceramics, porcelain, and stoneware. Furniture philosophy. Vintage farmhouse furniture feels light and graceful, not bulky. Mixed farmhouse basics with antique style features, curved legs, clocked edged, joint wood details, painted furniture with subtle distressing, open shelving instead of heavy cabinets. Tip: all through vintage beach per room, with cabinets, mirrors, and tables, instantly elevates the space. Styling and layering. This style shines through layering. Stack old books, then add a candle or small vase. Use trays to group decor like old plus glass plus floral. Lean framed art instead of hanging everything. Mix height. Use tall candlesticks, low bowls, and medium jars. It should feel collected over time, never stressed. The soft furnishings are essential to balance the farmhouse structure. Use linen slip covers and cotton throws. Use lace, crochet, eyelet, or subtle embroidery. Floral prints paired with neutral solids. Quilts instead of heavy blankets. The goal is touchable comfort. Florals and nature. Realistic farmhouse decor is incomplete without florals. Use giant flowers for nostalgia. Fresh garden style arrangements. Close imperfect. Fox florals only if they look realistic and soft. Avoid tight, modern arrangements. Wild and gentle winds. Lighting style. Lighting should feel warm and romantic. Use lantern pendants, soft candelier silhouettes, fabric or pleated lampshades, warm bulbs only. Never cool white. Lighting adds the chic glow. Hot to avoid to keep the style authentic. Too much rustic heaviness. Modern glossy finishes, industrial or sharp lined furniture. Over decorating with sign or verdant. Lace signac, more story driven pieces. Overall atmosphere. A vintage farmhouse home feels calm and graceful, warm but cheery, nostalgic yet timeless, elegant without being formal. It should feel like a home where mornings are solemn and evening glow softly. The design philosophy. Why it feels so special. Fantastic farmhouse is about gentle contrast. Old, fast, defined. Practical, fast, romantic. Old picture, fast, elegant ships. Nothing competes for attention. Every piece quietly supports the mood. Think of it as farmhouse that learned manners. Color layering, not just a palette. Instead of bold color blocking, this style uses tone on tone layering. Example, walls use warm white or antique cream. Furniture, slightly darker beige, greys, or soft gray. Textiles, florals plus neutrals in similar undertones. Decor, muted metallics and natural wood. This creates depth without visual noise. Tips: avoid shark white. Always choose creamy or soft whites. Egging and patina, the heart of vintage. Two vintage farmhouse decor embraces faded print, light distressing, crackled finishes, soft varnish or metals, but never overdone. The goal is graceful egging, not shabby clumps. Antique influence without looking like a museum. You don't need many antiques, just static ones. All antique mirrors are cabinet per room. Smaller vintage objects grouped together, mix eras gently, prince plus country plus farmhouse. Too many antiques equal cluttered. Too few equal generic farmhouse. Balance is everything. Negative space matters. This style breathes. Leave some shelves partially empty. Let furniture float instead of filling every corner. Choose fewer, better quality decor pieces. Quiet spaces make vintage pieces feel more valuable. Textile storytelling. Textiles should feel hand-touched, not factory perfect. A slightly wrinkled linen, soft, washed cotton, crochet lace and embroidery, muted florals instead of bold prints. Patterns are subtle and nostalgic, never loud. Lighting equals multicultural. Lighting defines the chic elements. Use warm, golden glow only. Lamps over overhead lighting when possible. Soft shades instead of bare bulbs. A fantastic farmhouse home should feel magical at dusk. Seasonal styling, very important. This style adapts beautifully through seasons. Spring, florals, lace, pastel accents. For summer, whites, greenery, airy fabrics. For autumn, muted browns, jade, flowers, linen. For winter, quilts, candles, and soft layers. Decor changes gently, not dramatically. Common mistakes to avoid: too many signs or wadat, harsh modern furniture, over-distressed DIY pieces, cool tone grays or shiny finishes. If it looks trendy, it's probably wrong for this style. The emotional effect. A well-done, fantastic farmhouse home feels calm and nurturing, romantic but grounded, nostalgic without sadness, elegant yet deeply comfortable. It invites solo mornings, quiet evenings, and meaningful living. Walls, ceilings, and architectural details. The surfaces quietly set the tone. Walls, soft plaster look, paint or matte finishes. Use subtle paneling, bedboard, or board and batten. Faded botanical prints. Use antique frames or soft landscapes. Avoid busy gallery walls. Simplicity reads more elegant. Next, ceilings, exposed or fox-out beams, whitewash or natural, with soft white ceilings, not struck or glossy. Vintage-style ceiling melodeons for candeliers. Ceiling should support the room, not dominate it. Mirrors and reflections. Mirrors are essential for the chic factor. Antique gold, oud, or distressed white frames. Arched or oval shapes feel softer than a square. Layering mirrors adds relaxed charm. Mirrors also amplify light, perfect for farmhouse interiors. Shelving and display. Open shelves should feel crowded, not crowded. Rule of odd numbers: 3 or 5 items per grouping. Mix materials: cream plus oat plus glass. Add an organic element like plants, grounds, jade flowers. Leave breathing space between groupings. Every shelf tells a quiet story. Vignettes and story corners. Fantastic farmhouse homes use small moments and tools with folded linen and a candle. A tree with a picture, book, and floral stem. A chair with a throw and pillow. These little senses create warmth and emotion. Plants and greenery choices. Not all plants fit this style. Best choices: olive branches, eucalyptus, lavender, fern, herbs in terracotta pots. Avoid bold tropical plants, they fall out of place. Floors and rugs. Flooring grounds the look. Use natural wood or wood look finishes. Faded vintage style rugs. Use neutral jute layered under softer rugs. Rugs should look gently old, never brand new. Handmade and heirloom touches. This style of soul-filled pieces. Crochet, lace, and embroidery. Hand-thrown pottery. Heirloom frames or furniture. These pieces add authenticity, but can't buy new. The unfinished look. A key secret. Not everything should match. Slightly mismatched chairs. Different frame style in the same color family. Patina variations across metals. Perfection kills charm. Gentle imperfections brings life. How it should feel to live in. A vintage farmhouse home feels soft on the eyes, warm on the skin, calm for the mind, rich with quiet character. It is not about trends, it is about timeless comfort. The unwritten rules of vintage farmhouse: soft first, structure second, always lead with softness, fabric, curves, light. Then add farmhouse structure, wood beams, and tables. If a room feels too hard, add textiles. If it feels too sweet, add wood. On a statement per room, each room needs one quiet stir, not many. Add an antique cabinet, a vintage candlelight, a weathered farmhouse table. Everything else supports it. Repetition without avoids matching. Repeat materials, not objects. Same wood tone in different items. Same metal finish in different chairs. Same floral color across pillows, art, and florals. This creates cohesion without looking staged. What instantly breaks the look? Cold LED lighting, plastic decor, pretending to be vintage, over-distressing, perfect symmetry everywhere. If it looks mass product, it feels wrong. Why people love this style? Because it feels safe, romantic, calm, human. It is not just decoration, it is a lifestyle of showing down. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.